Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you passive income that can make you rich in 2023. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Passive income is a great way to generate extra money while pursuing your dreams, hobbies, or full-time career. With inflation growing sky-high, earning passive income can help you maintain your purchasing power during good and bad times. In this video, we'll look at 10 smart passive income ideas to establish financial freedom and increase your monthly income. We'll compare the pros and cons of each one, so you can make an informed decision and find the best ways to earn passive income on your own terms. While there are multiple passive income streams to chime into, it's not easy money at first. You'll still need to put in some time and effort. But with the right passive income strategy and amount of dedication, you can soon utilize the flexibility and freedom that comes with a passive cash flow. What is passive income? Passive income is a cash flow from a source other than a contractor or a direct employer. It's the income you generate without putting in much time, work, and effort afterward. Once a passive income stream is established, you'll have to monitor and tend to it now and then, but most of the time, it's automatic. How to gain passive income? There are 3 main ways to gain passive income. Investing. Use the money you already have to generate even more money. Dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, real estate. Asset building. Acquire assets that generate income passively over time. Affiliate marketing, digital goods, photo, and music licensing. Asset sharing. Rent out or sell assets you already own. Home and transportation rentals, advertising on your car. Number 10. Sell digital products. Digital products can be anything from goods to printables, files, templates, plugins, audiobooks, kits, and more. Anything the customer can then download and use or print for their own needs. Create them once and sell digital products as many times as you want with a high profit margin. Selling digital products is easy and inexpensive if you have the necessary skills and equipment. Plus, if you're an artist, this is a great way to turn your art into printables or digital goods and earn passively by doing something you love. It could take a long time until you start generating noticeable income. In addition, host websites for your listings can charge sales and listing fees, adding additional costs. Number 9. Invest in dividends and mutual funds. Buy dividend stocks of various companies and earn passive income in dividends. The companies give regular payouts from their profits without your further involvement. While this is an easy passive income stream, dividend investing comes with risks and complexity. Buy stocks and shares once and never pay attention to them again. Get regular company payouts and chime in on the passive profits of your business decisions. Not only that, but in time, the price per share will rise, usually generating more money as years go by. You'll need quite a lot of upfront capital to invest in stocks in the first place. We're talking about hundreds and tens of thousands here. Not only that, dividends come with a high risk. You'll lose your investment and passive income if the company performs poorly or goes bankrupt. Number 8. Rent out property. Another easy way to generate passive income is with rental property. Whether you're renting out an entire apartment, house, building, or a single room, passive rental income will flow monthly. Your options are endless with rental properties, from long-term rentals of your spare room to short-term rentals of a holiday house. You set the rules, sign a contract, and reap the benefits of one of the best passive income investments. Whatever happens in the property is still your responsibility, as you are the owner. Some countries worldwide also struggle with squatters and very problematic clients who aren't so easy to get out of your property. Number 7. Try affiliate marketing. Becoming an affiliate marketer is one of the easiest ways to generate passive income. That is, if you already have a potential fan base/following for promotions. Sign up for an affiliate program, promote affiliate products on your chosen channel or platform, and earn commissions from clicks and sales your links generate. Joining an affiliate program is free, so there aren't any upfront costs. Promote links on your website or chosen social media platform, boost traffic, grow your audience, and earn more than enough income in commissions. If you're a newcomer to the online world, building a big enough audience to earn affiliate commissions will take some time. You also need creativity and skills to build trust in your followers and properly advertise the affiliate products or services. Staying relevant on social media is not easy in the ever-changing trends. Number 6. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook is simple, easy, and accessible by almost everyone with low publishing costs. Ebooks don't need to be long and can cover any topic of your choice and expertise. Writing one will take up a lot of your time, but later on, you can use the power of Amazon to reach millions of potential customers. Low publishing and resource costs. An ebook can be entertaining and educational, like a guide. If your ebook doesn't pass the vibe check of the readers, all your efforts will be for nothing. Number 5. Teach online courses. It's easier than ever for educators to sell courses online. Whether it's marketing, illustration, or entrepreneurship, you can create pre-recorded courses and start selling with few limitations. Similar to digital products, you can sell online courses repeatedly without holding any inventory or stock, generating passive income. Teaching online requires some upfront investment in time. You'll need to outline your course, record it, and create downloadable assets like templates for students to walk away with. Number 4. Become a blogger. Starting a blog can be a challenging venture, but the blogging business model is only becoming more successful as a passive income stream. You don't need to be an internet celebrity anymore to earn money online. All you have to do is find your people on 1 or 2 platforms, then send them to your website. It takes a little bit of time to build a blog, but if you create quality content and promote it through your platforms, you'll build an audience big enough to generate a significant income stream. You'll need to invest time into creating an SEO marketing strategy and producing and promoting the content, but know that your efforts will be rewarded. The return on these passive income investments can be upward of $30,000 per month, depending on how you monetize your blog. Number 3. Sell stock photos online. Unlike many of the other passive income ideas on this list, photography is a service-based business, which typically means you get paid for your time. You must be at an event or photo shoot to make money with photography, which even if you're making a killing, can be tiring after a while. However, if you're a full-time photographer or own a good camera, you can generate passive income from photography by selling photos online. Stock photo sites like Pexels, Shutterstock, and other online media houses will pay for high-quality photos and videos. There's no inventory to keep around the house besides your camera and laptop. These websites do the marketing for you, so once you load your photos onto the platform, getting your work out there and selling it is done for you. If you run your photography business on Shopify, you can also easily tie in digital products like prints or print-on-demand products like shirts and hats, giving you even more passive income streams so you can work less and make more. Number 2. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the best passive income ideas to earn money from wherever you are, even if you don't have a lot of cash flow to begin with. Some dropshippers report making upward of $100,000 per year. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, however, as it takes some upfront investment of time in order to generate income. The dropshipping business model involves creating an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. What's interesting about dropshipping is that you don't have to see or physically manage the products you sell. With dropshipping, your supplier handles everything from manufacturing to packaging to fulfillment. And since you don't need to send money to your supplier until your customers pay, this passive income business has limited cash risk. Another risk you get to avoid is the one that comes with investing in a product that doesn't have a market. You can use a platform like the DSers to find trending products in different niches to sell in your store. Depending on the product you choose and your pricing, you can earn solid passive income and learn how to run an e-commerce business. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. It's not too late to start a YouTube channel. A whopping 74% of adults in the US use YouTube. That's a lot of eyeballs to capture for passive income. The catch? It's a lot of upfront work for little to no return in the beginning. Yet, if you're a long-term thinker and don't mind front-loading your efforts, the passive income potential of a successful YouTube channel is high. Affiliate sales, sponsorships, branded integrations, and ad income can all add up passively as you accumulate content, clicks, and views and grow your audience. That's all for today. Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for upcoming amazing and informative video.